Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the performance profile on this device. Go to your settings, tap on the option device care. So here you can see the option performance profile. Tap on this one. So you can see two profiles, standard and light. Standard means provide the recommended balance between the processing speed, battery life and cooling efficiency. Light means priorities battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. Okay, standard mode gives full performance for gaming, multitasking and heavy applications. The light mode reduces power usage to improve battery life and reducing heating. So according to your choice, you can select either standard or light. Okay, so simply in this way we can change the performance profile on this device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.